So this is the project cooked rice we are talking about today. This is similar to the one that is baked beans. The difference is that baked beans is on the Binance Smart Chain and this cooked rice is on the Avalanche chain. So I really like these kinds of projects because they are really sustainable for a longer period of time. And before moving any further, I would like to tell you that this is not a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. So please do your own research before investing into any of these projects as these are super risky. So they are giving a daily return of 8% and their APR is 2920%. The deposit and sale tax is 3%. So what you do, you basically come over here, you commit your Avax. Suppose if you're going to deposit one Avax, you will just type it in one and you will click on cook rice. So what this will do, this will take your initial one Avax and it will convert into your rice. You will get a number over here, and this one Avax that you have just deposited, you cannot get it back as it is. The way you can claim this back is through daily rewards, which I'll explain in a second. So currently the contract have 3298 AVAX. So it means the project is relatively new and new investors are coming in. The main thing about these projects is that which makes them really unique and sustainable is that you cannot claim your rewards daily. The strategy that is used by the investors in these types of projects is called 6:1 strategy. You compound 6 days a week and on the 7th day you claim your rewards. So this does not hurt your daily return and it keeps the project sustainable over the time. So to understand this better, let's head over to the Excel sheet. So current price of AVAX is $88. So I'll just put in 88. And now the daily ROI is 8%, so I'll put 0.08. Compound tax is just the gas fees, which is very minimal, so I'll just keep it at 0. Deposit tax is 3% and recompound period 24 hours because we are compounding it daily. So on day 1 you'll deposit $88 worth of AVAX and it will be $85 because of 3% deposit tax. So on day 1, suppose day 1 is Monday, you deposit $85. On day 2, you will come at the same time, you will recompound your rewards by clicking recook. So it will take your daily ROI of $6.83 and it will recompound it. You'll do this and on the day 3, you'll come again, you'll recompound it. It will make your value even bigger on day 3. You'll keep repeating this process until day 6. You'll keep compounding it. Now on day 6, your initial value of $85 has now become $125 and you are generating a $10.04. Now on day 7th, that is Sunday, you will come on the same time and instead of clicking on recook, you will click on eat rice and it will claim your daily rewards into your wallet. So what this will do on 7th day on Sunday, you will get $10.84 worth of AVAX into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet which you use. You'll keep repeating the same steps until day 13. You'll keep compounding it and on day 14, you'll come over here. You'll claim your rewards, that is $18. Now in just under 14 days, you will have claimed $28 worth of AVAX. On day 35, your initial investment has now become $1,169 worth of AVAX and you are generating daily 93.54 cents. So on day 35, your initial AVAX is worth $1,169 and you are getting a daily ROI of 93.54 cents, which is a little way more than your initial investment. So you are claiming a little more than your initial investment per day on day 35. That is the power of this project. So if we assume that this project is gonna sustain for 60 days approx, these are just assumptions. So on day 60, you will be earning $640 per day. So guys, this is the power of this project and everyone uses the same protocol of 6:1 strategy. This project sustains itself because of this feature, because of this discipline over the time. All the links will be down in the description box below. So if we take a look over their audit report, they have been audited by the TTEB Finance Company and you can go through these documents if you want. I'll leave the links down in the description box below. You can check it out for yourself. And this is their contract address. So as we can see here, the transactions are going on pretty well, I would say. 20 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago. So people are really interested in this project. Currently they have a balance of 3,287 AVAX, because this project is quite new as of now and we are really early in this project. Okay, so heading over to their white paper, this is their white paper, which is pretty interesting. So what is rice? Rice are the miners that are hired with Avax and work for you to get your rewards. Can I get my initial back? Cooked rice miner is a locked rewards pool, so no. However, you do get your initial back over time through the my reward section of the tab. Now this is important guys, ROI. The mechanics in place guarantee early players ROI on this scale. The first 1000 players ROI in 20 days, the next 500 in 30 days and the next 200 players in 60 days. And this will remain the case for the first 3 months of gameplay. After that point, it all depends on referrals and how aggressively players recook a rice. And the rewards will fluctuate between 5 to 8% daily. Okay, so they are being pretty transparent with their project. And what is the price of rice? Cooked rice does not have a set price. Higher total value logged means more rice per AVAX. Lower total value logged means less rice per AVAX. So you can go through all of these pages. This white paper is really beautiful and really detailed. So I'll leave the link down in the description. You can check it out for yourself. Today I am not investing in this project because I am invested in other projects as well and I don't have the capital right now to invest in this project. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you want more videos like this, if you enjoyed today's content, then hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more.